Hey guys, my name is Eman. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's tutorial, you guys. This look is full glam. I feel like a movie star right now. I haven't worn this much glam in almost 7 months, and it was so fun doing this look. So this look is inspired by the one and only Madison Beer. I saw this picture of her the other day. I love her makeup. If I had dark hair, I feel like this look would be identical to hers, but I've been loving everything Madison's doing lately. Her music, I'm like actually a big Madison Beer fan. So when I saw this picture, I thought this was the perfect first look back getting into glam. I try out a bunch of products that are new that I'm going to share with you guys because they are products that I'm loving. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and add me on Instagram at Eman and on TikTok at Eman Makeup. All right, guys, let's get into this look. I'm going to walk you guys through this whole look from Madison. Now, this is definitely quite a bit of glam. So it's not like the easiest look to do, but I'm going to try to keep it as simple as I can for you guys so you can recreate this at home. All right, guys, I am starting off with primer. So I'm trying something a little bit different this time. I'm using two different primers for two different things. The first one is the Oil and Shine Control Primer from Smashbox. So I like using this first as a base because if you have oily skin and if you tend to get shiny, this really helps control that. That's why it's called Oil and Shine Control. Then on top of that, I'm using the Smashbox Super Light Smooth and Blur Primer. Now this is if you have pores. This is going to really help smooth out the surface of your skin. So when you apply the foundation on top, it just looks super smooth. Next, I'm going into foundation and I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. The shade that I'm wearing is 3.02. And I've been loving this foundation for summer because it's kind of like a true medium coverage. You're gonna get the coverage, but it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, which is really important for summer. It's hydrating, so it just feels nice on the skin. And I've been loving applying my foundation with my Real Techniques brush. It just makes it super quick and easy. Okay, this is the first new product I'm excited to share with you guys that I've been loving. It is from Benefit Cosmetics. It is their Brow Microfilling pen. This is new. It literally looks like you have microblading. You guys can see the tip has these like 3 little tongs on it, so it makes it look like little microbladed hairs. It looks super natural. I love the color. The color that I'm using is light brown. It just makes your brows look so full in the most natural way. Benefit always comes out with the best brow products. They kind of never fail. They're a little bit on the pricier side, but they work great, they last for a while, and they're kind of worth the investment. So for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Catrice x Eman Bronze AF eyeshadow palette. This palette, honestly guys, had every single color that I needed for this look, so that's why I'm using it. And I'm starting off with the very nude shade from the palette. This is called Fairfax. If you have my palette with Catrice, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know if you guys have it and if you're having fun playing with it. And then next I'm going in with the shade Runyon, and this is kind of like a medium brown. I'm using this mainly in my crease. So you're going to start from the outer corner and work inwards and then kind of just go back and forth in your crease. But you want most of that color to be on the outer corner because that's what's going to give us that like Madison eye look where it's like really just kind of like a sexy sultry eye. Next, I'm going in with the shade Malibu. This is kind of a bronzy brown, and I love using my finger for this. I just feel like it applies so much better than a brush, and I'm just applying that straight onto my lid, kind of blending it into that first eyeshadow color. Next, I'm going in with the darkest brown from the palette. This is called Sweetser. This is a nice dark brown. This is going to give us that beautiful kind of like gradual smokiness to the smoky eye vibe, and I'm focusing that color all on the outer corner. So I'm kind of going back and forth between brushes here and really packing that brown shade on. And then I'm also adding a bit of the black shadow, but not too much. I just wanted a little bit of a deeper tone on there. So I have a little bit of the brown, a little bit of the black, and then just blending it all so it's very seamless. Now using a slightly smaller brush, I'm taking that dark brown shadow again, Sweet Sir, and then sweeping that along my lower lash line just to frame the eyes, nothing too crazy. And then I'm taking my foundation brush and doing a little bit of cleanup, but with these shadows, you get like almost zero fallout, you guys. For my waterline, I'm using another new product that I love, and I wanted to point out. It is the new Aqua Resist color pencils from Makeup Forever. These are colored liners that are waterproof. They are great for the waterline because they go on like a kohl pencil, so they're super smooth and creamy. They glide right on. They're super pigmented, but then they set because they're waterproof. So once they're on there, they don't budge. So you're gonna get that beautiful color that just lasts all day. You don't have to worry about it disappearing. Okay, this is another product I really wanted to point out. This is not new, but it's amazing. It is the Shiseido cream liner. I'm not sure the exact name. I'll put it in the description box for you guys. This stuff is so good. If you guys want like a super easy cream liner that just glides right on, makes your life so much easier when you're trying to do your cat eye. It's super black, super pigmented, and then once it dries, it sets, it doesn't budge. But you have time to work with it. It doesn't set right away. So cat eye is done. If you guys want to see a full tutorial on how to do a cat eye, I have so many on my channel. Next is time for mascara. Another product that I'm loving that's new is the Kosas Big Clean Mascara. Kosas is one of my favorite brands for clean makeup. If you want to try out more clean products, this mascara is one I definitely recommend. I decided to throw on a pair of falsies as well since Madison had that full glam eye look, and these turned out perfect for this look. Okay, another new product that I'm loving, you guys, that I wanted to share, the new Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin 24-Hour Concealer. This stuff works amazing. It's like a full coverage concealer, but doesn't feel like full coverage. It's super creamy. It's really hydrating. It blends beautifully on the skin. It's not drying at all. So if you tend to get dry under your eye area, it doesn't get dry, and it just like, it feels so nice on, but then you get like that full coverage effect, which I love for concealers. Plus it comes in a bunch of different shades. So many of the shades I tried worked for me, so I love the shade range as well. I got another new product that I'm loving that I want to share with you guys. It is the new Laura Mercier Smooth Finish Powder Foundation. I love powder foundations. Anything that's like super easy, convenient, I'm all for, you guys, and this is definitely that. If you don't love wearing foundation every day, a powder foundation is going to be your best bet. And I love this stuff because you can wear it wet or dry. So if you wear it dry, you're going to get a little bit less coverage. If you wear it wet, especially with the sponge that it comes with, you're going to get a ton of coverage. Next up, we have one of my favorites. This is an oldie but a goodie. It is the NARS Laguna bronzer. You kind of can't go wrong with this bronzer. I wear it all year round. And I also decided to try out this highlighter from NARS as well, just to give the skin a glow all over. And now for one of my favorite parts of the look is the lips. It turned out so pretty. So first I'm starting with this lip liner from Laura Mercier. I've been loving using lip liners, you guys. Like, I just feel like it completely just changes the game. And then on top of that, I'm using the new Huda Beauty Silk Balm. This is just like a super thick, creamy gloss that has kind of like a balm vibe to it. It just looked so pretty with this look. It made my lips look super shiny, super glossy, and I loved it with this eye makeup because it didn't really compete. It just like gave it that nude vibe with like super high shine. Wow, guys. I don't even know what to say right now. I feel like I'm ready to go to the Oscars or something. I feel like I'm so full glam with the hair and the makeup and the earrings. Like, I swear, I thought, you guys, that I didn't even know how to do glam anymore. It's like riding a bike. Once you know how, you don't forget. So thank God. So many great new products. I hope you guys love this. Don't be scared to try this out. I know that it's kind of like sort of a lot. If you don't get it the first time, keep trying, and I promise with practice, it'll get easier. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you follow me on Instagram at Eman, on TikTok at Eman Makeup, because I am literally posting every single day. So don't miss anything. I love you guys, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye.